you can able to get total 5 certificates from AWS training and certification in only 10 minutes. Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. This is the platform of AWS training and certification. There is a link in the description. You go through it, you directly reach at this platform. In this platform, you get many certificate courses with free certificates and verified by AWS training and certifications. So we are going to sign in. If you have already an account on Amazon, also Amazon shopping account, then you have to easily log in here. And if you want to create a new account, then just click on create a new account. There is a required of name, your email address, and after you need to create a password, a strong password. And after creating an account here, you get an OTP on your email address. When you verify the OTP, you are able to sign in and this platform, and after signing you have to complete your profile. If you doesn't get this tab, you find it by clicking on at the right above corner, and here you need to choose your language, country. This is very much required for your certificate. If you doesn't complete this your profile, then you doesn't get any certificate from here. So it is necessary to complete your profile, and when you complete your profile, you directly reach at this platform AWS certification. Now click on dashboard to get all the courses. Here you get all the courses from different sectors of information and technology and computer science. Here machine learning developers, DevOps, and cloud computing, serverless computing, all courses are there, and also some certification exams. The courses are mainly divided into three forms. One is videos, second is e-learning, and third is curriculum. You get certificate by choosing anyone, and here I am going to choose a video course of AWS development tools services overview. It is a beginner level. I got this tab because this is my first course on this platform. You also get only because of your first course, and after that you easily access any courses. I launched the course, and after that you get a notification of pop-up because in all the browsers pop-ups are blocked, so you just continue. You get this video. Here you get many options. In your comfort, you set these options to watch this video, and after watching this video you get your certificate. Here I generated my certificate. It is only 5 minutes course, and after that I'm going to show you more courses. The course which we recently completed is shown here, and after that I'm going to choose one more course that is of introduction to AWS IoT. It is also a video course, but I am going to show you some tricks so that you get these certificates in only 1 minute. Here you just tap on a bar and take it to the right hand, and your course is completed. Here I'm just doing the same thing, and after that you get an option of certificate. When you click on that, here is my certificate, second certificate from AWS. Now we are moving to the next. Now I'm going to choose one more course which is not a video, which is a e-learning. So I am going to choose one e-learning course. Which course? Yes, this course, Introduction to Serverless Development. I'm going to launch it, and you get some different looks here. Here this is something changed. There is some brief introduction about this course, and after that there are course contents. When you go through it, I'm just going to show you. I also completed this course in only 2 to 3 minutes, and here there are some basic details, and just do the same thing which I suggest you at the last. Just tap on the bar and take it to the right hand, and after that you completed one, you just move to the second one. Here also course completion is showing 20% completed by watching the first video, and after that this is the second video. Just do the same thing, and we completed the 40% course, and after completion of 2 you can resume and you watch all these videos and get your certificate. Now I'm going to the third form of course providing, that is of curriculum, and now I'm going to choose one curriculum from here. Basically videos are shorter way to get your certificate in only 5 to 10 minutes. Going through e-learning it takes 20 minutes or 1 hour, and going through curriculum it takes 6 hours. And here are the courses which are in this. You have to complete all the courses. The trick which I mentioned initially you also use here and easily get all the certificates. And one more thing which is very special here, that you can get certificate for all modules. That is, here there are 9 modules and you get 9 certificates. And after that also course completion badge. By completing 2 modules I get 2 certificates. I am showing just here. I hope you also take maximum benefit of this platform, and please share this video in your friends so that they also get benefited.